Parts of underground cable. So like I said before, the underground cables, they're going to have a lot of layers of insulation and protection. So what are the different layers? So we will see one by one from the innermost layer. Okay, first one is the core, innermost to outermost layers. Okay, so first one is core. Core is nothing but the conductor, the main conductor, which carries the electric power. Okay, in case of single phase, single conductor is present, and in case of three phase, three conductors will be present. Okay, and here also stranded conductors are only used, and they are made of aluminium or copper, just like in the case of overhead lines. Okay, now the second one is next after the core, you have the insulation right after the core, right? Now this insulation, it covers each and every conductor. That means in a three phase system, if there are three conductors, then each of the three conductors will have their own separate insulators, right? So it surrounds each conductor of the core. And also the level of insulation, the thickness, it depends on the voltage level, right? Higher voltage will require a higher thickness of insulation. Okay, so thickness depends on voltage level. Of the cable. And some of the characteristics that it should have, it should be non-hygroscopic. So what is meant by non-hygroscopic? It should not absorb or retain moisture. Okay, should not absorb or retain moisture. Now next, after the insulation, what we have is the metallic sheath. Now what does the metallic sheath do? It protects the insulation from whatever, the soil contains a lot of acids, alkalis and other gases, right? So the insulation has to be protected from that, and that is done by the metallic sheath. So this first function is protects insulation from moisture, gases, acids and alkalis present in soil. Okay, this is usually made of lead or aluminum. Now after the metallic sheath, the next layer that surrounds the metallic sheath is the bedding. So this in turn protects the metallic sheath from corrosion, against corrosion. Okay, protects sheath against corrosion and also rubbing of the armoring. So around the bedding there is something called as the armoring, which basically gives the mechanical strength. We'll discuss about it. So that metallic sheath should be protected against rubbing from the armoring. Okay, so that is done by bedding. Usually it is made of fibrous materials like jute. Okay, so next we have the armoring. So the main function of this is to offer mechanical strength to cable. And it is usually made of galvanized steel. Okay, and finally, lastly, we have something called as the serving. So this protects the armoring again in turn from atmospheric conditions. So each of the layers that are present, they either have some function to it or they are protecting the other materials, right? So protects armoring from atmospheric conditions. And this is also usually made of fibrous materials like jute, just like bedding, right? So first, what was there? First you had the core. We will just draw. First there was the core. Around this what will be there? Insulation. So core is the one which carries the current, the electric power, and insulation, what it does, it has a specific purpose as to insulate the conductor from the ground potential, right? Now if there are more than one conductors, then what is going to happen? See, if there are 3 conductors, then insulation will be around each conductor. Okay. Over this we have the metallic sheath, and over that we have bedding. Okay. So both of these, even though both of them they are protection only, they are offering protection against different factors. Okay. The metallic sheath is offering protection against any kind of materials, moisture, gases, etc. that are present in the soil. And what about bedding? The bedding protects against corrosion and rubbing from the armoring. Okay. And finally next we have the armoring. So this specific purpose is mechanical strength. Okay. And finally we are going to have the serving. So this is the serving, armoring, and this is the bedding, metallic sheath, and the insulator. Okay, inside we have the core. This is for 3-phase system. Insulator will be surrounding each of the core.